Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following cut the DNA from specific places? E. coli restriction endonuclease 2, ligase, exonuclease, alkaline phosphatase. Which of the following cut the DNA from specific places? The correct answer is option A, E. coli restriction endonucleases. Question number 2. The bacteria generally used for genetic engineering is Bacillus, Pseudomonas, Clostridium, Agrobacterium. Bacteria commonly used for genetic engineering. The correct answer is option D, Agrobacterium. And what is full name of Agrobacterium? Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Question number 3. Plasmid has been used as a vector because it has antibiotic resistance gene. It is a circular DNA which has capacity to join to eukaryotic DNA. Both ends show replication. It can move between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Plasmid is used as a vector. Why? The correct answer is option B, because it is a circular DNA which has the capacity to join to eukaryotic DNA. Question 4. Any changes in gene frequency in a population is called as. Any changes in gene frequency in a population is called as. Option A, gene flow. Option B, genetic drift. Option C, gene pool. Or option D, gene conservation. The correct answer is option B, that is genetic drift. Question number 5. First cloned animal, Dolly the sheep, dog, mule or cat. First animal which was cloned. Correct answer is option A, Dolly sheep. Question number 6. Which of the following is related to genetic engineering? Plastid, plasmid, heterosis, mutation. Which of the following is related to genetic engineering? The correct answer is option B, plasmid. And what is plasmid used for in genetic engineering? It is used as a vector. Question 7. A genetically engineered bacteria used for clearing oil spills is option A, Escherichia coli, option B, Bacillus subtilis, option C, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, or option D, Pseudomonas putida. The correct answer is option D, that is Pseudomonas putida has the function of clearing the oil spills, and it is a genetically modified or genetically engineered bacteria. Transgenic animals are those which are foreign RNA in all its cells, foreign DNA in some of its cells, foreign DNA in all its cells, or both A and B. Transgenic animals are those which have. Correct answer is option C, which have foreign DNA in all its cells. Question 9. Name the drug used in cancer treatment produced using biotechnology. Option A, terramycin. Option B, HGH, that is human growth hormone. Option C, that is TSH, or option D, that is interferon. Name the drug used in cancer treatment produced using biotechnology. The correct answer is option D, that is interferons are used to treat cancer, and these are produced using the biotechnological processes. Question number 10. Restriction enzymes are option A, used to in vitro synthesize DNA. Option B, used in genetic engineering. Option C, synthesized by bacteria. Option D, present in mammalian cells for degradation of DNA. Correct answer is option B, it is used in genetic engineering. Question number 11. Restriction endonuclease was discovered by Michelson, Cohen, Erber, Watson. Which of the following scientists discovered restriction endonuclease enzyme? Correct answer is option C, Erber. Question number 12. For DNA fingerprinting, we need cells from fingertips, cells from any part of the body, cells from reproductive organs, or any cell from finger. For DNA fingerprinting, we need. The correct answer is option B. We can use cells from any part of the body. Question number 13. Technique to DNA fingerprinting was perfected by Stahl, Beadle, Tatum, Franklin, or Alec Jaffrey. Technique to DNA fingerprinting was perfected by Stahl, Beadle and Tatum, Franklin, or Alec Jaffrey. Correct answer is option D, that is Alec Jaffrey. Question number 14. Genetically modified DNA is called as recombinant DNA, sDNA, mitochondrial DNA, or none of these. Genetically modified DNA is called as. Correct answer is option A, it is called as recombinant DNA. Question number 15. Artificial synthesis of DNA without any template was first done by Khorana, Geer, Michelson, Watson, who artificially synthesized DNA without any template. Correct answer is option A, Khorana. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.